She's not just a village, she's a feeling, a rhythm, a whisper between sea and sand. Placencia doesn't shout, she hums through the creak of a bicycle chain, the clap of dominoes under the mango tree, the slow drawl of Wadiguan from a veranda. This place teaches you patience. Here, time doesn't move, it drifts, like seaweed on a tide where that breeze you can't quite catch. She smells like coconut oil and fried jack. She tastes like stew beans, sea breeze, and salt. She moves like punta drums on a Saturday night, and she holds you like a mother who's seen too much to rush anything. Yes, things are changing faster than we expected, but in her bones, Placencia still remembers. She remembers when roads were sand, when neighbors were family, and when home was more than land. It was love. So when you come here, don't just see her, feel her, fall in love slowly, the way she always intended. Because Placencia isn't just a place, she's a poem.